What's up everybody, Cilinix Crypto here. Are you tired of missing opportunities and losing money while trading in these markets? Then I might have the solution for you. For those of you who don't know, we run the Cilinix Crypto Signal and Premium group, in which I not only share my own trades, so profitable signals, but I also give you 24/7 mentoring to actually become a better trader yourself, and you gain access to a trading guide with multiple strategies and basic beginner tricks to actually become a profitable trader yourself. If you're interested in that, links will be down in the description or in the pinned comment, and make sure to check that out right now. If you join through Telegram, there's actually a limited time only lifetime offer in there as well. So check that out, and hopefully we will connect soon. Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video right here on Dogecoin. We're going to do a full update on Dogecoin. I try to keep you updated on Dogecoin whenever I can, which at this point of time, we have to be honest to ourselves. At this point of time, there's not much going on with Dogecoin. So I think it's like once a week that I try to make a video on this, but we're back again this week. There are some things that I want to talk about. I'm relatively optimistic about Dogecoin. I have been, by the way. I mean, Dogecoin, even though the momentum has been quite low and not much has been going on with Dogecoin, which is true, I still think that that it has been holding up very well, right? I mean, Dogecoin is basically since the 20th of August, it's been able to hold this support level right here between 20.5 and 21 cents. And over the long term, I'm actually relatively optimistic about Dogecoin as well. I mean, we most likely are going to get a Dogecoin ETF. Believe it or not, but that's actually quite likely because it's a little bit closer technologically to Bitcoin than it is to something like Solana or XRP. So in that sense, it's easier. It is a meme coin, however, so who knows whether that's going to matter for getting an ETF. But like I said, we're holding that level since the 20th of August. If we quickly take a look at Bitcoin right here, I can tell you where the price was the 20th of August. And I can tell you we have not been able to hold that support level after that, right? I mean, we actually dropped down from that bottom. We dropped down another 5% to the next bottom. So that's great, all right? So there's actually demand coming in here. Whether that's because of the ETF, whether that's because of something else, who knows? But we've been able to hold that while we were holding that range right here. The momentum has decreased, which is normal. However, what we're seeing right now is that, first of all, we're going to get full moon. Whether you like it or not, full moons have actually historically been quite bullish for crypto. So if that's the case, and if there's like some sort of statistical significance to that, which there has been, you have to respect that. And then if you zoom in on the order flow right here for Dogecoin, what you can see is that we are, and this is the first time in a while that we have seen this this sustainably, we've actually seen some momentum and some leverage coming in, right? So you can see right here that especially since this morning, actually, in the Asian session, late Asian session, we got some leveraged longs coming into the price right here, right? And you can see one big one right here very early, and then the last couple of hours, we got some new leverage coming in as well. And that in combination, like we're seeing that across the markets, right? So we're seeing that with Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin is gaining some leverage, but the combination, like the combination of the strength that Dogecoin has shown in the past, call it 2 weeks or so, in combination with that momentum that's growing right now, in combination with, I think pretty good fundamentals, at least for the rest of 2025, makes me believe that I think it's most likely that for now, I still think the momentum is too low. So I still think short term, it's more likely that Dogecoin is going to remain stable in this area between 22.2 cents, so 0.222, and then to the bottom 21 cents. And I think we can even, I think it's going to be quite volatile in the next 2 days. I think we can even spike down, but ultimately that stability, I think that's going to hold. And then from there, I do expect us to break above the high liquidity zone right here at 22.2 cents, which is now the main resistance. But I think we can break above that and actually rally into the main resistance level we have at 23.7 cents, which is the value area high of the range we've been forming for the last 2 months or so. So those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know regarding Dogecoin for now. So hopefully that helps. I will be back with new videos, like I said, whenever necessary, or at least one time a week. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing. But for now, that's it. Thank you for watching. Take care, everybody, and bye.